Mahatma Gandhi, the legend of Indian history, the pioneer of non-violence and the father of our nation. He was a man of sound and strong convictions. He had a noble soul. He was a God-fearing person. His approach to various problems was non-violent. He spent his life working to fight discrimination and poverty against Indians, both at his home in India and for 20 years in South Africa. He chose non-violence as a method of resistance because he never believed violence was the answer to what's the best. The charkha is the symbol of nation's prosperity and therefore freedom. Gandhi Jayanti is annually celebrated on 2nd October to commemorate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. We fondly remember Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi as the father of our nation, a great leader and an immortal soul who taught the world how to win a war in peace. This day is observed as International Day of Non-Violence. Today, Gandhiji's words inspire us to change the world by changing ourselves. Here are some of his virtues.
Gandhiji said that a devotee of truth must hold himself open to correction. He claims that truth shines clear as soon as you remove the cobwebs of ignorance that surround it. The way of peace is a way of truth. Truthfulness is even more important than peacefulness. Non-violence is a practice of not causing harm to people, animals, and environment. Non-violence and truth cannot be written into a constitution. They have to be adopted of one's own free will. I object to violence because when it appears to do good, the good is only temporary. The evil it does is permanent. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Clean environment can keep our mind and body healthy, but some people don't understand the importance of cleanliness and throw the waste and garbage anywhere. Mahatma Gandhi famously said, "So long as you do not take the broom and the bucket in your hands, you cannot make your towns and cities clean." When there is both inner and outer cleanliness, it approaches godliness.
Raghupathi Raghava Raja Ram must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. A few drops are dirty, but the ocean doesn't become dirty.
There are many causes I would die for. There is not a single cause I would kill for. The day the power of love overrules the love of power, the world will know what peace is.
Voluntary service of self demands the best of which one is capable and must take precedence over the service of self. In fact, a pure devotee consecrates himself to the service of humanity without any reservation whatsoever.
The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute for the strong.
आपका यकीन बनती है एक विचारधारा। आपकी विचारधारा बनती है आपके शब्द। आपकी कार्यशक्ति बनती है एक प्रथा। यही प्रथा बनती है हम सबका आदर्श, और यही आदर्श बनते हैं हमारा भाग्य।
You must be the change you wish to see in the world.
A pleasant and festive morning to all of you. It's rightly quoted. Great people never die. They keep influencing others even long after they are gone. Be it their teachings or their exemplary life, they inspire millions around the world. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, whose birthday we celebrate today, is one of such inspirational figures of Indian history. A great leader, a social reformer, and an anti-colonial activist. Once Mahatma Gandhi was asked by a reporter, "What is your message to the world?" Gandhiji responded by jotting down on a piece of paper, "My life is my message." The universality of Gandhiji in such a simple sentence is awe-inspiring. If we have realized Gandhiji's life was his message, then the life of each one of us needs to be our message to the other. As this truth sinks in, a question may arise. Am I living in such a way that I am truly modeling the message I want to convey? What are my deepest values? What qualities do I most want to embody? We see Gandhiji, a person who forged his path as a solutionary, who created a systematic change. To be a solutionary, we also need to endeavor to model a message aligned with our values. The reason it's important to walk our talk is not because personally making more compassionate and sustainable choices will by itself will change the world. It is important because integrity matters. Taking responsibility for living with integrity also leads to a greater personal freedom and self-respect. And people are more likely to listen to and be inspired by those who walk their talk. Gandhiji lived his very life based on these principles. Leading by example and practicing what we preach are essential components on path to becoming true solutionaries. Gandhi Jayanti is a day of celebration. It's a day to value a special person who through his words and actions successfully galvanized an entire nation in its march towards independence and non-violence. Let's all therefore celebrate this day to remember his legacy and contributions he made to the world. Let's vow to right all wrongs so as to respect him and everything he stood for. Let's remember the best way to find ourselves is to lose ourselves in service of the other. May the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti remind us to extend our support and to help those in need. Wishing you all peace and harmony from our end. A happy Gandhi Jayanti 2021.